In today's video, I'll quickly walk you through how to safely wash a Brookstone heated blanket so you can keep it clean without damaging the wiring or creating a safety risk. Before washing, always check the care label first because manufacturer instructions matter. Next, unplug the blanket and remove all controllers and cords. Never wash it while anything electrical is attached. If there are stains, spot clean first using a mild detergent and a soft cloth, gently dabbing instead of scrubbing. For washing, use a gentle or delicate cycle with cold or lukewarm water and only a small amount of mild detergent. You can also hand wash by gently agitating the blanket in lukewarm soapy water. Never wring or twist it. Rinse thoroughly to remove all soap residue, since leftover detergent can shorten the blanket's lifespan. For drying, air drying is safest. Drape it evenly over a rack or rod and keep it out of direct sunlight. If machine drying is allowed by the label, use low heat only. Before reconnecting any cords, make absolutely sure the blanket is 100% dry. Finally, store it folded in a cool, dry place, and never iron a heated blanket, as heat can damage internal wiring.